Steamed broccoli is one of the best side dishes that you can serve with dinner for your family. Let's learn how to make steamed broccoli using our Instant Pot in literally minutes with perfect results every time. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. Broccoli made in your Instant Pot is one of the most popular things that people make in their Instant Pot, actually, and for good reason. It is made in literally minutes from start to finish. There's no babysitting, no prep. It's just dump and go, and it is perfect every single time. If there is any type of complaint I ever get about cooking broccoli in your Instant Pot, it's that the Instant Pot actually cooks it too good and it gets a little too soft. But I've got a little trick up my sleeve so that it never gets to that mushy stage. I'll teach you how. What do we need to make our steamed broccoli with our Instant Pot? Well, you need broccoli. I just bought the packaged broccoli here that's already broken down for me. You can definitely break down your own head of broccoli. You're just going to want nice pieces that are probably a little bit bigger than bite-sized. I have a steamer basket here that I like to use. Do you have to use a steamer basket? No, but steamer baskets do make your life a lot easier. So if you don't have one, I would suggest picking one up at some point if you plan on making broccoli in your Instant Pot often. The next thing we need is water. That's all we're going to use. Water in the bottom of our Instant Pot, broccoli in the steamer basket. If you don't have a steamer basket, your broccoli can go right into the water. And that's how we're going to cook it. We'll season it after we steam the broccoli. Now let's talk about cook time quickly. We are going to set our Instant Pot for a whopping 0-minute cook time. And whenever I put that in recipes, everyone always says, I think you forgot the one. Is that supposed to be 10 minutes? No, it is actually 0. So what this means is that your Instant Pot will boil and steam, and it will come to pressure, and it will take a minute or two until the inside of the pot has reached the appropriate pressure, and then your Instant Pot will beep, and that is your signal that it's been 0 minutes, it's come to pressure, and you are to release that pressure quickly. Now, even with that 0-minute cook time, your broccoli can be a little mushy. I prefer mine with a little bit of crunch left in there. So here is my trick. Put hot water in your Instant Pot. Use hot tap water, as hot as you can get it, and put that in the bottom of your Instant Pot, because the hot water will start boiling faster and it will come to pressure faster, which means your broccoli won't be cooking for quite as long. I'm going to use a cup because that is what is needed for my Instant Pot. If you have an 8-quart Instant Pot, you'll need 1.5 cups. If you have a 3-quart Instant Pot, you could probably get away with about 3/4 cup, but I usually use a cup anyways. I'm going to go get my hot water. The hot water is going right into our Instant Pot liner here. And then we'll put our broccoli in the steamer basket. Grab some scissors. There's often a lot of questions as to, how much broccoli, or can I use this for a cup of broccoli, or can I use this for 7 cups of broccoli? The cool thing about cooking with pressure is that it doesn't matter. The quantity, cups wise, as long as your pieces are the same size. So you can use this 0-minute cook method with 1 cup of broccoli, or, a steamer basket full of broccoli. It will all cook the same. Broccoli going into the Instant Pot. Let's lock our lid in place, set that knob on top to ceiling, and we will cook for 0 minutes on high pressure, which I'm going to just push this manual button here and adjust down to 0 minutes, and then just let it do its thing. If your Instant Pot does not have that manual button, yours will say pressure cook. It's the same thing, just a different name. Now we wait for our Instant Pot to boil and come to pressure, and then we will quick release the steam. If you need more information on beginner Instant Pot lingo or beginner Instant Pot everything, make sure to check out my beginner videos. They're very helpful and will help you feel confident and be successful with your Instant Pot quickly, because this is not going to take very long. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and a like, Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below and let me know what your favorite vegetable is, and if you know how to cook it in the Instant Pot. And if you don't, let me know what it is and I will teach you how. The pin just popped up, so it will just be a minute or so until our Instant Pot has reached the correct pressure on the inside. It will beep, and then we will turn the knob on top to quick release this pressure. Something to keep in mind is that everything in this Instant Pot right now is pressurized, and we're not naturally releasing the pressure at all, which means there will be a lot of steam coming out of our vent on top. Okay, should we try to count down? 10, 9, 8. Oh, dang it. All right, that signals to us that it has come to pressure fully. Our cook cycle is complete. Let's release this pressure. Okay, that pin on top finally dropped. Let's remove this broccoli. Set this back here. And remember, the steamer basket will be hot. So use oven mitts if you are using that steamer basket. And if not, just scoop it out with a slotted spoon. Transfer to your serving dish here. All right, now is the time to season as you like with salt and pepper. Or if you're using your steamed broccoli inside of a recipe, just follow your recipe. I personally like to season with salt and pepper and then actually put soy sauce on it. Is that weird? I don't know. Another way to do it too is to squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, that's really good. Our broccoli is done, it is ready to eat, and you just saw how easy it is to cook it with your Instant Pot with literally a 0-minute cook time. No prep. Add this recipe to your arsenal of Instant Pot recipes to add to your menu in the coming weeks for you and your family. Perfect. Not mushy. There's a little bit of a crunch. Exactly how I like it. Yeah, did you hear that? Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.